Hello, I'm here with this 2014 Dodge Journey 2.4 front, two-wheel drive vehicle. I'll be replacing the this entire thermostat housing here. Broke off here. So that's what I'll be doing today. First thing I want to do is just connect the actually I can remove this coolant sensor. There it goes. And then the new one, it comes with a new O-ring. So I'm going to replace that when you put the new one together. And then take off all the hoses. There's two in the back for the heater hoses. And you have this one here. And then the one at the bottom for the bottom radiator hose. Okay, after you get the all the hoses off, there are 3 bolts that hold the housing on. One is right here. I don't know if you can see that. One. And there's one here. 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. I believe they take a 10mm socket to turn those off. There's a hose at the bottom down there that it sits on. You gotta wiggle it off of there. This one right here, focusing on it. Right here you have to replace this O-ring too, so keep it from leaking. The installation is the reverse of the install procedures. So I'm going to put the new one on right now. Okay, I have the new water pump out, the thermostat water outlet installed. Or mounted anyway. Just have to connect the hoses and install the temperature sensor. Okay, so this is the completed replacement of the thermostat water outlet. All that's left is to add the antifreeze, and I'll return the car to service.